Hi guys, my name is Maria Talavera. I am an AYA math major and this is my ePortfolio. So the first page we have is kind of the welcome page. It's just picture of me and describing who I am, stuff about me, where I'm from, my education, what I'm studying, why, all those simple things that just are good to know and are fun things to share. And then here we have little subpages of all the Danielson domains. For example, we have planning and preparation, we have the artifact description, connections, and then here we have the artifact, which is a little project I did in one of my math classes. And then just here we have all the different ones, professional responsibility, the Ohio licensure code. So that's just the basic outline of my ePortfolio, and I think that the hardest part was kind of finding artifacts that fit each domain super well and connecting them in a sense that made sense and really showed how I was able to connect all the little things that I had done throughout my classes here and how they related to the different domains. And yeah, I think that was the hardest part. And then also just keeping this very organized. It's kind of hard sometimes, like one thing can mess up another thing, and it's super easy to just, everything gets a little bit messed around, but being very patient is something that is really important when it comes to making your ePortfolio. And then I think what I'm most proud of is just the pages that I've done so far. I think the artifacts that I have, some of them are not the best, but some of them I'm really proud of. For example, this one, this project in my discrete math class was very hard, but it ended up being really good, and I was very proud of it. And then just being able to connect a completely unrelated to education class, one of my hard math classes, to education was really cool. And then I think some tips that I have for all of those who are starting their ePortfolio is to just be patient. It is going to take a lot of work, and there's a lot of trial and error, so it does not have to be perfect when you first start it, and I have definitely learned that. But yeah, so take your time, really put thought into it, and don't get upset if it's not the best when you first start it, because it won't be. But in the end, you'll get a lot of help and you'll make it the best that it can be, and it'll end up being really good. So thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.